All right, we're going to start with the last place we left off. This is the key for the mRNA strands. Just check your work and make sure you follow that. This is the most important code that the cells can make. So if you miss any single letter, then you could get the wrong protein made. And that would mess up your bunny because that's the assignment that we're preparing ourselves for. Now, we're going to separate each set of three, because remember, each set of three is a codon. Just going to kind of draw a line. Shoot, what I don't want to do that. Undo. Going to draw a line, yes, between each set of three. It kind of helps me keep things straight. Okay, so if I were to count that, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets of three. So that means 7 codons will make 7 amino acids. We can separate this one. I got 1, and there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 is the last one. So that will make 7 amino acids. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 amino acids for that one. Sounds crazy, but we're actually going to do step 4 next and save 3 to the end, and hopefully you'll see why. Because next we are actually using these codons that we just made. We had mRNA 1 and 2 and 3. We're going to make 3 strands of amino acid chains right here. So let's see what these are and how that works. Actually, no, I'll go back to just do this. This is the code chart that we're going to be using, and it's on the second page of the paper that I gave you. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use these. These are amino acids. There's 20 in your body. See this, like Phi, that's an amino acid. Lu, these crazy names, ser, tyre, cis. All of these words that are in this position, those are all amino acids. So all you have to do is look at the code that goes with them, like UUU is a code that goes with this Phi amino acid. So we're going to learn this code by looking at what we made here. So our first amino acid will come from this first codon, AUG. So AUG says met. So that word beside it is met. Now, notice how all of our strands start with AUG, because that is the start codon. So when and only when you see it at the beginning of a strand, it means start. So I wrote met here for you, but see, I think a text box is probably the easiest thing for us. Met also means start. So start is our first one. We go up here and look, looks like GCC. Hopefully y'all can see it when I move my cursor on the screen. GCC is the next one. So looking at the chart, we would find GCC. Looks like right here, the word that goes with it is ALA. I don't know why I'm marking on that. But ALA is the word, is the amino acid that you're going for. So that's the next thing we would write, ALA. We got 7 that we need to get, so we keep going. The next one is UAC. So we're going to look for UAC on this. UAC right here. So I'm going to write this word that goes with it, TYR, tyre. TYR. Okay, and I would just keep going with that until I have all 7. So I want you to do is to complete doing that for amino acid chain 1, and then go and use mRNA 2 to do the second strand, and mRNA strand 3 to do amino acid chain 3, and then come back and check your work.